75 years ago, the world stood up and listened to the voice of freedom as it defined the meaning of indomitable spirit. I open quote, "Men fighting under the banner of unshakable faith are made of something more than flesh."
And as a final quote from Lieutenant Reyes goes, "Bataan has fallen, but the spirit that made it stand, a beacon to all the liberty-loving peoples of the world, cannot fail."
Mabuhay ang veterano! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Saludo ako sa inyo, sir. Utang po natin sa kanila ang ating buhay at pangsamantalang ating bayan. Thousands of lives were lost because they had to fight, and they had to fight forever for us. They did not know me, they did not know my family, they did not know all of us, but they died for us.
Nais po nating ipaabot sa ating mga veterano na ang lahat ng ginagawa nating ito sa ilalim ng liderato ng ating Pangulo ay alay sa inyo sapagkat kayo ang nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa amin upang maging matapang, matatag at tapat sa serbisyo para sa ating bayan.
"75 years ago, this site became the altar of valor. Today, we should be reminded that amidst the traditional emerging challenges we face, we must not be afraid to fight the good fight when we know it is our hearts of hearts that we do so in the exercise of a solemn duty." Sana may gira rin para mahiro kami.
Alam ko sa lugar na maraming mga veterano.
We must remember We are the future that they fought for.